How to be mindful like a pro in 3 steps. Have you ever met anyone who seems to be naturally mindful and wanted to be more like them? Chances are that person is not naturally mindful and probably worked hard to be more resilient and live in the moment. This means that you can also become more mindful with effort and patience. To become mindful, however, you need to know the proper steps and tools for mindfulness training. If you want to become more mindful, here are 3 steps to becoming mindful like a pro. 1. Be honest and patient with yourself. If you want to become more mindful, it is important to be honest and patient with yourself from the beginning. Being mindful does not come naturally to anyone, and you are no different. Recognize that becoming mindful will take a lot of work and that you will mess up. Additionally, be honest with yourself about your current mindfulness habits or practices. Do not sugarcoat your current mental state or sell yourself short. Instead, be honest about your realities, as well as what you want out of mindfulness training. From there, be patient. It will take time to reach your goals, and you will mess up. Do not view yourself as lesser than or incompetent just because you struggle. 2. Set realistic goals. Many people assume that being mindful will lead to a state of bliss. Although mindfulness will make life more enjoyable, bliss should not be the end goal of mindfulness. If you set an unrealistic expectation such as bliss for your mindfulness training, then you will be let down by the results and eventually give up. Instead, set realistic goals that reflect your current abilities and what you want to see out of your life. For example, if you have ever practiced mindfulness before, then this will be a new task and challenge for you. As a result, set your goals in small, attainable increments. Many people practice mindfulness to improve their lives. What exactly improving your life means to you will be different from what it means to the person next to you. Because of this, set realistic goals that are deeply connected to your abilities and goals, not anyone else's. 3. Be mindful, even when you don't feel like it. Once you are honest with yourself and set realistic goals, you need to practice being mindful, even when you don't feel like it. In the beginning, trying to be mindful will be new and exciting, which will be motivation to work. As the newness wears off, however, it can be easy to let your feelings overshadow your mindfulness training. Regardless of how you feel, be mindful. In fact, the times when you don't feel like being mindful are the times that you need it the most. For this reason, be mindful and stick to your goals. With this in mind, make a commitment to your mindfulness goals. Work through your feelings, tiredness, or annoyance with your training and press forward. If you are able to do mindfulness training during those times, then you have already come a long way. Final thoughts. To recap, anyone, including you, can be mindful like a pro as long as they're honest and patient with themselves, set realistic goals, and commit themselves to mindfulness training. Though each of these steps will take a lot of hard work and personal clarity, it will be worth it in the end, since mindfulness will improve various aspects of your life.